Mercy, welcome to Telangana. Now Telangana is rising. Come, join the rise. Thank you.
GOAT will talk now.
Hola a todos, bueno, nada, solo agradecer por el cariño de hoy y de siempre. La verdad que vi muchas cosas antes de llegar acá durante todo este tiempo, durante el último mundial y bueno, muchas gracias por todo el cariño. Es un honor para nosotros poder compartir estos días acá en India con ustedes, así que muy agradecido. Muchas gracias.
So
She's going to translate for us,
grateful
everybody.
All of this love, all this show of affection that he is receiving today in this country, and also your participation tonight, and all the people and the Prime Minister. Thank you very much.
He said he's happy to be in Hyderabad.
And he's also, Messi says that he's very happy to be here in Hyderabad with all of you.
The Chief Minister of Telangana, as he is completely ready in the attire as he walks in 3-0 against Messi All-Stars. It's not 2-0, that's 3-0.
His dream came true, Naveen. Yes, this is the magic. This is the moment to Mr. Revanth Reddy to join the team. The officials, match officials, Sri James Stalin, the match commissioner, the Palgunas, the secretary, and the match officials there, Krishna Reddy and Tatam Naidu, and the center referee, Mr. Khalil.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, Swarna, for me, I've been a sports person all my life. I think for me, I have not seen a chief minister play a sport so seriously in his life. I guess for me, Revanth Reddy becomes the first ever chief minister, if I'm not completely wrong in my history books. He becomes the first ever chief minister to be so fit to play the sport at the highest level. Yes, he's got his responsibilities as an administrator, as a leader, as a leader of the state, as a chief minister of the state. He's got his responsibilities, who's been really, really good in executing them. But as a sportsman, as a chief minister, I don't recall, apart from Revanth Reddy, do you recall anybody as a chief minister who can be so fit and play in the shots going out there?
Not at all.
Isn't it?
He's just setting an example over
Totally.
here in Hyderabad, playing football, maintaining his fitness more than his duties. He joined the team since a long back. He's practicing football and made his fitness levels. And
I'll tell you
here.
what. I think he's been a good administrator because he's so fit. Because you have that physical fitness that automatically transfers your mental fitness as well. So much of mental powers that's been needed, especially to run a state. And like Telangana as a state who's trying to get everything for them.
See the spirit.
Oh, is that a goal? Is that a goal? Yes, it is. It is Revanth Reddy going out there and scoring the fourth one. Well, what a way to begin this. It's the fourth goal for RR9 and it's coming from their skipper, the captain of the state, the chief minister, Revanth Reddy himself.
Once again, the goalkeeper was beaten. It is a loose ball. Revanth Reddy taking the chance and it's a beautiful finish.
Fit with Messi. Everybody goes out there as he makes his way in. Phenomenal time here in the GOAT Tour 2025. And I'm Naveen Shaurya alongside with Swarnalata right here, witnessing history in the making as well. This is such a proud moment for everybody as a fan, as a big supporter of the game. May it be any sport, fitness support, that is so real, that is so nice as he shakes hands. First, of course, with Messi All-Stars Levin, and then the officials, Khalil, and the players will all be nice. And there is Revanth Reddy, the man who scored the fourth goal. The signing of the ball happens as Revanth Reddy and Lionel Messi share a nice camaraderie as well as footballers, both of them. That is a phenomenal sight at the RGI grounds in Uppal, Hyderabad, Swarna.
See the happy faces with all the kids, with all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy and Messi. What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the Chief Minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Naveen.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement as that are straight shot. Yes, it is. The left foot comes out. We saw the third goal also from Messi All-Stars, his forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm.
Lionel Messi coming out here in the GOAT Tour 2025 to support the nice cause of promoting football in our country. That's so much needed now as he waves to this crazy crowd. Look at this. This is magnanimous. It is the RGI International Stadium right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. That's packed as Leo kind of takes a lot of shots. But yeah, we were mentioning about women achieving so much. Yes, the ICC Women's World Cup winners, the champions out there, and of course, don't forget, it's always, as the women blind World Cup winners are also been there as a small kid going out there and enjoying his time alongside with Messi wearing number 10 on the back as well. So yeah, first ever T20 World Cup victory by the blind women's team. Also, they went out there and met Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi ji, everybody. And of course, they also did go out there and meet power star Pawan Kalyan himself yesterday. So yeah, women actually lead, Swarna. There's no doubt about that.
Thank you for supporting, and